Alright, got in my K-Day case for October 2018. This is the AQA case. And I like how it came pre-kicked. Thanks for Mattel or K-mart, whoever did that. It's like my son's trying to help do the video. It's kind of where they put tape over this too. No! Well, it doesn't actually have a logo, so let's crack it open and see what we got. Take a peek inside. It's like some of them are upside down. That's kind of weird. Super for this event should be. It should be the Honda Civic. I'm not seeing one in here. There are some first to markets in here, like the Lamborghini, the Riveton Roadster, but obviously Walmart's already got these because the K-Day event got delayed. That's one of the first to markets. Another first to market is the Land Rover. Yeah, I believe the other first to market was this guy, the Rip Rod. Let's see. Yeah, I think that was it. So anyways, the exclusive cars, the first one up we have is the 68 Mercury Cougar. It's got the special yellow theme. The more popular one, I'm sure the most popular one at this event, is definitely going to be this one, the Lamborghini Aventador, and it's blue for K-Day exclusive. Probably not going to be quite as crazy as the Datsun 620, but who knows? We shall see. Next up, we have the Ford Focus RS. It's got blue wheels, or tires. That actually looks pretty nice. It's one of the Hot Wheels art cars. And the final K-Day exclusive color, I believe, is the Chevy Blazer. Guessing this will probably be another popular one for the event. So a lot of people are like, gotta have those colors.
A car.
That's right, it's a car. Then we've got the Embosser, the Tesla, we got the Corolla DeVille. I was hoping to find the Super of that one, but no luck. The guys in my area are snatching them all up. They were snatching up the regular, so it's nice to actually get that car. Then we got Skull Shaker in the new red.
Yes.
Corvette C7 Z06. Winning Formula. Bone Shaker, Tulian, and 52 Chevy. Actually, I just thought about that. So this is a Q case, actually. A case is the first to market, so with it being a Q case, I think the Ford Escort would be the Super. So if you're looking for the Super, it's going to be that guy. Got the Hot Wheels High, Pro Stock Camaro. The Teed Off 2, Fandango, and whatever this is, Air Eruption. Very interesting. Getting cars stuck together. And he's got the Lamborghini Countach. One of my favorite cars growing up as a kid. Red with that huge wing in the back. Just loved it. This probably another popular one that people are going to be snatching up is the almost like kind of primer gray cool combi. And this one, the 64 Impala, looks kind of similar to the design from years ago, but different color. King Kuda, the chess series. This one I really like, the Ford Raptor. Need to throw some real riders on that guy. The custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. Audacious, another chess piece. Got the 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And got this weird thing, the Hot Wheels 50 concept. Interesting. Love it. Special wheels. Nothing like those. And then we got Crate Racer. That's hilarious. The last car I pulled out is the Treasure Hunt. I didn't even know what the Treasure Hunt was. So, Q case. If you're looking for the regular Treasure Hunt, this is going to be your guy. Got the Hot Wheels logo, or the flame logo right there. So I accidentally said that the Ford Escort was the Super for K-Day, and I was wrong. I, for some reason, thought the PK Super was the one, but it's not. It is the Corella DeVille car. So if you're looking for the Super at K-Day, that is the one to be going for. Obviously, it's got the dark red and the white walls on the tires. The regular Treasure Hunt, as you can see here, it's zooming in the flame logo. And this would be the Super. So those are the two to be going for if you're looking for the treasure hunts. As always, guys, good luck. Happy hunting. Let me know what you find, and hopefully you find some good stuff that you really like, or even some cool airs. Anyways, happy hunting.